Hi loves, welcome to At Home with Eiffey, and today I am doing a makeover of our deck. As you can see, if you've been following me, we moved to another house. The homeowner are nicer than the previous one. And this house is the opposite of the other house. So this is a covered deck. The other one was not covered, so we had to use umbrellas for shade, but this one has shade, which I love. And I always dreamed of decorating covered decks. So here we go. So this is the before with some yellow cord on the banister, and this is the after. And I'm going to show you the process, okay? So here we go. And so we start. This is my husband, my nephew, my daughter, all the way there in the corner. You will see her again. We put all the furniture up. So the conversation set and the dining set up on the deck. And we power washed everything. So we put them there on the deck and created a flow. A traffic flow as well as the conversation flow. Don't be afraid to play around with your design, with your layout until you are satisfied with the layout. Okay, so that's what we did. We switched things around and we're not really happy with it. Then we switched again, and then until we came to agreement. It's my daughter Liza. She loves the camera and she's always been a happy kid, so yeah. And meanwhile that is working in the background. So we power washed all the chairs, the deck, the coffee table, everything. And when it was all dry, here we go. Here's the rug that I picked for the refresh. And I love this rug. It's from Wayfair, Canada. It's an 8x10. It's by Timmerman, that's the brand. And I love it's a plastic straw outdoor rug. It's easy to clean, it's comfortable under the feet. And I love the pattern, the black and white and the different patterns, geometric patterns that it has. So then I installed the lights. So I tucked the cords, the power cords right under it. So it was against the wall so nobody can see it. And I got the lights from Canadian Tires, a store here, local here in Windsor, Ontario. And I hung those, the cords, then I attached the light bulb after. And it's very sturdy, which I like. So I feel like it's gonna last a long time. I also added some palm trees, a little bit of greenery there. I got both the palm tree and the planter from Home Depot. So I remember you guys last time told me that I was missing some greenery, so I listened and I purchased 2 of them to create a tropical theme and tried on the lights. They work, they're really beautiful, they have a nice glow at night, and I can't wait to add the curtains. So my nephew Mark is helping me with the curtains because I'm not tall enough, short people problem. So first what we did was wipe that surface because it's vinyl, so it's plastic. So the hooks that we purchased work for that area, but before we hung the hooks we needed to basically measure how the tension rods were going to be attached. So that's what Mark is doing there, trying to measure. And then after that we just stuck them there. So it's easy. I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it comes with the hook. Okay, and I think there's like 8 in the bag, and all that were purchases from Amazon.com. Okay, and this is there, so you attach it, and then in the back you can peel off and make sure that the surface that you're using is already clean and dry, and then you peel it and you stick it there. And you have to wait 18 hours, I think, before hanging anything on it. And these are the curtains that I use. They're waterproof. And this is a tension rod that I use. This is the brand Ivilon. And all these are Amazon products. So we use some dry erase marker to mark where they were supposed to meet. You can use chalk or anything that you can erase after. Use that. So the following day we actually waited, we forgot, so we waited actually 2 days, so it was like more like 48 hours. But I think after 12 hours or after 24 hours you can hang anything there. So that's what we did. I started with one, and in the pack of curtains you have two curtains, okay, two panels. So that's what we did, and they come with the cord so you can just tie it. If you guys have like any tips on how to keep them from flying around too much, let me know. I tried to tie them to the lights and it worked a little bit, but not too much. I like it. I like them just flying, not too much, but it's just like, I don't know, it's just so peaceful. So time to decorate this area. So I'm removing everything as far as the covers, and yeah, so I'm about to place the seating area all together, and I'm excited. You guys know this is my best part, my like favorite part of all. So you know me again with the lime green. So some of the pillows that were used last year, but I added some black and white stripe to it to create a flow. So when you pick a theme, you know, go with an inspiration, whether it's an image or a color theme, a color scheme, whatever it is, and then stick to it and carry it throughout your space. So that's what I did. So I carried the lime green and the black and white throughout the space, not just the conversation area, but also the dining area, and even in the decor with the lights and even the little candle there on the table. It's citronella candle, but the container is green, lime green as well. So like carrying it all around, and yeah, so that's what I did. And I also styled the bar cart to go along with the theme, and it stays there outside. And I mean, it's fine. It's meant to be outdoor, and it doesn't rot or anything. It's made out of acacia wood, so it's very sturdy. I've had it for 2 years now, and those plates, all of them were from Amazon Canada, and the cart as well. So if you're in the Canadian area, you can order it from Amazon Canada. I'm sure Amazon.com has other options there, better options, and a little bit of lemonade, just to welcome. That day actually we had guests over, so I was setting it up for them, and I was like, might as well record it, you know. And that's what I did, and I'm so glad I did it, because it's been a while. Today it was a beautiful day, so I was like, I need to record so I can get this video to you guys in time for the summer, so you can be inspired. Let's look at the before again, with the dust everywhere, just blah, boring, nothing really attractive here. Just we have, you know, you can tell it's been through a lot. That season has been rough, yeah. And then you can see, and then you want to see the after, which is a complete transformation here with the rug, the pillows, the different stripes and patterns, and the flowers, the curtains that are really elevating the space. So I need to get more greenery, but right now I just added a couple of plants like parsley here and there to create that greenery. But ultimately I want to change some of the side tables, you know, get some like maybe drum looking, you know, something fancy, you know. But for now this would do. Again, I wanted to release that video quickly to you guys, you know, for inspiration for the summer, so, or spring, whatever time you guys are watching this video. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is our space. We spend a lot of time here, guys, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like at night. It's even more beautiful. And I'm working on the one downstairs. So you saw a little bit of it. There is like an area there that we can entertain people as well. So I did kind of like a makeover there of the chairs and everything. So I will be able to upload it as well for you guys, so you can check it out and see. This is the night view, guys. This is the best view at night. I mean, seriously, look at this. You feel like you are in a tropical paradise. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy. I have a couple of pictures after this video for your enjoyment. Let me know in the comments below, you know, what do you think about the makeover, the little refresh. If you want more inspiration, don't forget to follow me at Home with Eiffey, you know, hit the notification bell. And I love you guys, okay? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope that you will, you know, consider subscribing to my channel, liking, sharing with friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post anything new. And I have, of course, some more pictures for your enjoyment. But thank you guys. Love you, and I wish you guys a happy summer or happy spring, depending on when you're watching this, okay? Bye-bye.